This is my 27-year-old son.
Single son.
Why should I? Oh, okay. Single son. We are looking for a wife for him. I'm tired of cooking for him, washing for him. So, Ntombazana, if you see a potential husband in this person, Nigezu mamako, contact them and in the box.
I'm not ugly, the lighting is bad. I'm not ugly, I promise.
I am the mother who posted on her TikTok page that I've got a 27-year-old and we're looking for a wife for him. I'm not a very active social media person, no. Once in a while, none. Nyangena, you post one or two things. I hardly do. But that day, one of the things that I posted, but my reactions are explosive. And for those who are interested, in that video, angazi ukuthi kukuphi lapho okuthwe lo muntu akakwazi ukuzenzela izinto. Secondly, akuzange acacise ukuthi ngihlala naye kumbe ngihlale naye. Also, angazi ukuthi ikuyaphi into yokuthi he's gay, because as far as I know, mina njengonina ngimazi engumfana. I've seen so many people who put on earrings. Now that yena earring ikuyo sokuthiwa he's gay. I don't know. Ukuthi kuza kanjani ngoba it's not only gay people who put on earrings. Heterosexual people, even if they are male, if they choose to, they can. And then I also saw some comments that really are concerning to me. There is KK Sleazer. KK Sleazer or Caesar. A comment yake, what a useless mother. Hey, useless mother. You have failed to raise an adult that can look after himself. Angazi noma sesake sezemzini wakho sazocela ukuthi usibheke, wazocela lo muntu ukuthi umbheke yini. Ifuna lokho kufakazi ngicela ukuveza ukuthi umntana umseke wabuya kuwe. Wazofuna ukuthi umbheke ngoba unina oyisehluleki useless. Zimbabweans are utter failures. Why put a whole nation into this? Enzeni ama-Zimbabweans? Akwenzani? Why coming? Uke wasizwa kuleya video sikhuluma. There were people who were asking me ukuthi, are you particular? I remember there's a girl from Uganda who asked me that, and yeah, ngamtshela ngathi no, I'm open, we are open to any nationality. And I understand there's also Sam Mahatu who also said something like that, ukuthi uchabule hlala ko Zimbabwe, a country that does not have roll-ons. Ngizwa ngawe leyo bhuti ukuthi akula ma roll-on eZimbabwe. There is Thandwa Dlamini. Post for your Shona friends asiwenze lo msangano eSouth Africa. Unyoko suka wamtshela ukuthi uyasangana. Lengana lawe mina usumbiza ngokuthi ngiyasangana. Xa nginele wena la lengalawo yo imigomo that say a child cannot say that to an adult, then don't go around saying it to me. Aslingani. I don't understand. Jane, how do you even ask if he knows how to wipe his behinds? Do you think we would have set him on the same table? Besizolidla kanjani le cake? When uhamba unga attendanga your behinds, If you do that, don't think everyone does that. Ne? Respect my girl. Ibalulekile. Nomoye or nomhoyi. You stitched my video. Into obuyikhuluma laphayana. Into obuyikhuluma lapha. Ngiyamdabukela nomuntu ozalana ohlobene nawe. Remember, in this digital footprint, siyachia ama footprints in these digital platforms. Mawuzokhuluma njana and you're saying, hey, we are busy doing business and making our careers and stuff like that. Who do you think will be able to sit down on a table with you and negotiate a deal or hire you? Ukwazi ukukhuluma izikhihli. Be very careful what you do out there. Some of you are triggered by the fact and you are now saying we are looking for a maid or we are looking for a maid. I am a mother. I was at some point in my life a working wife, a mother, a daughter, a community member. But konke khonokho ngangubalance and even a student on top of that. Kodwa kwakungeke kuthiwe khona ukuwasha. You would create time for doing all those housework things and study and work and be a daughter and be a mother and be a wife. Similarly, la kumyeni wami laye, you would become a father, a worker, zonke lezi zinto. So who thinks that my son can just, alright, avuke emarried and aye kumntana abantu agalule kangaka aminze ngomsebenzi yena hleli ebuka iTV? And those who say maid preaching ukuthi hayi, if he can't hire me a maid, onyoko balabo maid. Can you afford a maid when? Phela liya pretend lapha as if you guys can afford certain things lingas afford. Whoever preached this gospel, alfake yona emakhanda yokuthi immediately somebody mentions housework or house chores, you are becoming a maid. I mean, I don't find ukuphekela abantu abami doing things in my house being ukuthi sengi-enslaviwe. Akusiyini la ilegcala kubo TikTok. Namabhayeni becoming Mrs. So and so nishada. Abanye futhi bezilobole nokuzilobole. Maybe yikho kulitrigger abanye ukuthi lazifaka kwezinye izinto balidlala benza all this. Now at the mention of this, you think this same person will also do this to you. There's nothing wrong with being single or choosing kuba single. It's okay. Not everyone really can get married. That's the fact. But for you to say ukuthi housework, I find it very strange. Yekelani ukuthi you could have passed abaningi ningakhulumanga zonke lezi zinto lezikhulumele. Umuntu ayokhuluma indaba yokuthi hey, marry your son. Unyoko uchata nomne wena. The day unyoko wachata nomne wena yikho lapho lami ngizoshada nomntana. Akeniyeke ezinye izinto ukuba ukufila triggered. Lapho liyofika khona intanga zethu niyabe seninjani? Niyobe seninjani? Eniyofika khona intanga zabo gogo bini abazala thina. Niyobe seninjani emoyeni? Mhlawumbe lidinga usizo. Ake liyobonana lalaba ama-counselors or staff, some of you. Ngoba izinto elizikhuluma la ziyethusa. I'm sure if one of you was my daughter or whatever, abenza ke ngicele ngithi sibuthola usizo ngoba abaningi benu ngathi libhlungu. Ubungazidlulela nje ungakhomentanga lapha ya. Ubona ukuthi hayi le ayidingi mina. Mina I said, and to make things even ubona ukuthi ijoke. Wena uzosuka kanjani utshela umama akho ukuthi ubona potential boyfriend, mama hamba ungikhulumela nomama walo mfana. Ngibona isokana. Guys, to me vele thina during our times you wouldn't even do that. Ngoba mama kuzokubuza ukuthi kushelwa ukanti thina sazi kusheli ilona isokana, not the other way around. So I was making it ukuthi vele I'm trying to make it important. It was a joke. Some people have got a sense of humor. And the other thing, my son is very good. I'm sure 50% of you cannot even match him.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Waze wajegwa lo make lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ngemva kokuthi aposte umntwana kumfana lona 27 years old. Wathi sowukhathele kumwashela ukhathele kumklinela ufuna amagodi nyalo. And people were dragging lo make laphana kuma comment section saying ukuthi hayibo kahlahle ufuna umfati for umntwana ko ufuna imade. People were just being so mean lapha kuma comment section. Ngibona ngazuthi bantu basuke bayithathela inhloko bayithatha seriously inkulumo yalo make, and people were saying ukuthi hayibo kuyadlalwa mos guys lo make uyadlalela, and some were saying ukuthi if bekadlala bekangazabe so defensive kuma comments aphendule each and every comment kokuthi hayibo why niba mean, why ningitselela, and people were saying ukuthi hayibo make TikTok le bantu batokudrega, they don't care ukuthi umzala nje ngoba wena you were asking people ukuthi hayibo why nikhuluma nami ngimzala kangaka. People were just saying ukuthi hayibo TikTok le ifuna inhlito lencane ngeke uzolungela. Yo guys, badala Nkosi yami baze babajika lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana abantu bangabe nenzaba nokuthi bazala. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.